Hello, you guys. We're in.
This.
What is the store called?
At home.
We're in At Home. We just came from our daughter's school. They had a Friendsgiving. Look at him showing it. But we just came from a little Friendsgiving thing. But this is the one right here.
Alright, let me see this.
Like, hold it up. Look at this, y'all. That's so pretty, and it's green and kind of go with my theme. And it's $12.99. I don't even put a rug outside my door anyway, for personal reasons. But yeah, she is the one. Oh, they got a little stuff, the little bag stuff for the tree. But this to me, $24. They got these on Amazon, y'all, for $13.99 to hold your tree.
Myra.
$24.99, baby. No. Now when they got them on Amazon for $13. So they're joke. This pillow goes with my theme, baby. I don't know if it's the same green. I doubt it. But I love it. It say Merry Christmas. She giving. And she is how much? $17.99, y'all. I don't know if y'all knew this, but At Home has all-purpose. Look at this. Look how tall it is. Like, let me see. It's really tall. Like, it's almost the same. It actually is the same height. Let me see. It actually is the same height as me. Like, it's legit is. Like, look at this. $17.99. Yeah, she would definitely be getting some pumpers, cause yeah. And they have the little short kind too. It goes on a table base. So yeah, I like these. It's simple. It's not doing too much. It's just what it is. Like, this is giving. When I get a house, baby, it's gonna be right. It's gonna be right, baby. It's gonna be right. But yeah, y'all, they have this, because I would like to get this and then get this garland too. But y'all, I was looking at this right here. See, I already got something like this hanging up in my kitchen. What I was looking at was this garland. It's got a lights to it. It's flocked, and whatever the price is here, you're gonna pay that price. Yeah, so I think it's $24, which is not bad. Well, I guess it's $24.99. So lock garland. So look at this one. This one's a lot smaller than the one I got, but I actually like the fact that it's really flocked. Okay, y'all. Now, y'all, I'm kind of excited about this. We're gonna be doing a DIY project for Christmas. This is a Christmas DIY. I seen this idea on Instagram. I seen 2 people do it and I saved it. So I'm gonna try to do it myself. I'm gonna make a smaller one. They made like a long one. I may make another one. I don't know, but for right now, I'm just gonna show y'all what I got and everything to make the. I got these little glue sticks. I don't know. Get them from the Dollar Tree. I've always had a glue gun, so got some brushes from Walmart, I think. I got these little things from Dollar Tree. Oh Lord, it's getting everywhere. It's just, you know, I got 2 of those. I got a bunch of like these little things from Dollar Tree, like, and then I got these string lights. I got 2 pack. a bunch of like silver, white, and like bottle brush trees from Dollar Tree, because they had a lot of bottle brush trees. Got glue. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got to do this DIY, y'all. I don't know how this gonna come out. Hopefully it come out good. Like I said, I should have made a longer one, got more to make a longer one, but I got more bottle brush trees. I don't know how many of those I'm gonna need. Probably not a lot, because I only have 2 stands. So yeah, first we're gonna go ahead and glue these things together. See, and glue them together. You just hold it, let it dry. Okay, I just let it dry for a second. Let it dry. Let it dry. Then I'm going to take. Let me just do a little seal real quick. Let me just do a little seal. I advise to do this. It's like just to make sure that it doesn't come apart. Alright, so yeah, we're just gonna stand it up like this, and we're gonna wait for it to dry for a little bit. So we're just gonna brush. Alright, so just need some certain spots I'm gonna get glitter on there. Don't worry about this, y'all. We'll clean it up in a little bit. So we're gonna take our trees, which are falling apart, add the glue. Paste them in there. We have this. This is what we have so far. We're going to be adding the people. Thing that I made. I'm gonna have to like pack this up very carefully, y'all, when it's time to. Okay, y'all, so this is basically the finished product. I added the glitter around it. I added the little people. I got everything from Dollar Tree, so this is an easy DIY, it really is. Like, I added the glitter. I didn't add glitter back here because this is the back, but I still added little people. Let me see that again, bro. So, yeah. With the snowman in there, the little chef, the people with mother and daughter. Got the man throwing a snowball. So, yeah. And this was very easy, y'all. This was very simple. And I added the lights. Yeah. There she goes. That was basically it for that DIY project. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And it wasn't like I didn't get close up on it, but I did show y'all the finished product. But it was just something quick I thought of, and I was like, you know what? I seen it on Instagram, so I said, let me just try it. It turned out good. I may do another one, we'll see. But right now I'm about to tend to these girls and get ready to cook my Thanksgiving dinner, because Thanksgiving is tomorrow. So yeah. I'm gonna start cooking at 6:30. Probably be done cooking 6 or 8, 9, 10. Probably about 9, 10. But like I said, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Alright, good morning you guys. Today is Sunday. Cupcakes, y'all, I made from scratch. I just try to do like different like little design on there. Y'all look, I'm not a professional, you know what I'm saying, but I did make these from scratch, as you can see.
I'm gonna have that one.
They're good though.
You see? I made them from scratch
Myra,
for my daughter's birthday.
The rainbow one, right, Myra?
So yeah, they did their hair, so I can take pictures for her birthday. And y'all, I gotta put some on these bumps because I don't even know where they came from. So yeah, but we gotta return them to sender. So probably won't do much today. I mean, she's 2. Like, I didn't do much for my 2-year-old's birthday. My oldest, when she was 2 years old, but I did get the memories of the day, of course. But I didn't like. Well, we did. No, we did. We took her to Chuck E. Cheese after we celebrated with some family members. And when I do this, that means that I don't deal with them family members anymore. But so yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get going on this girl's hair because yeah, and they're throwing balloons behind my head. So like I said, I'm not doing much today, so I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute.